sankala mushe maninga and people begin to say nice point. So pamweze padre, God is telling me like this. I begin my point. Niona mwatabani mwatali siku. Then I don't know why niona kusogola njenda sina msungana na mchezo. Kama mlingaji. Niona watu wawili huko kwa Indra. Two people, they are about to give you money. Yes. Leo mbaya. Mu pende fika offline kuingrama zenu na muntu kwa sasa. Then mzima Mungu nuza chifu moja. Kambi mmangala ma plans but my plans are not failing right now. You have plans but sometimes when you have money my plans are not machoka. God is telling me sit down, take a book, mlemba plans. Unaona vitu vitatu, them plan. Unaona viko stuff of you. Vitu vingati viko ngapo field. Unaona malemba vingi. Unaona three things over stuff of you. The Holy Spirit is telling me be very much sure. Because unaona